Sebaceous filaments versus blackheads. Can you tell the difference? Look closely at your nose. You see tiny dark dots. Some are blackheads, some are sebaceous filaments. But here's the problem, they often look almost identical. So the real question is, can you actually tell the difference? Let's find out. What are blackheads? Blackheads are clogged pores. They form when oil gets trapped inside the pore, dead skin builds up, the pore stays open, oxidation turns the buildup dark. That's why they look black or dark brown. What are sebaceous filaments? Sebaceous filaments are not blockages. They are natural structures inside pores. Their job is to help move sebum from the oil glands to the skin surface. They are present in every pore. Why people confuse them? At a glance, both can appear as tiny dots. But there are subtle differences. Blackheads, darker, more irregular, true blockage; sebaceous filaments, lighter gray or yellow, more uniform, evenly distributed. The nose test. The nose is the most confusing area. Why? Because it has high oil production, dense pore concentration, visible texture changes, so both blackheads and sebaceous filaments appear together. What happens during deep pore cleaning? Deep pore cleaning can: heavy checkmark, remove blackheads completely; heavy checkmark, reduce visible sebaceous filaments temporarily; heavy checkmark, improve skin texture, but sebaceous filaments will return naturally. The real difference test: if you remove it and it doesn't come back quickly, it was likely a blackhead; if it returns regularly, it was likely a sebaceous filament. Final comparison: blackheads equals clogged, oxidized, removable; sebaceous filaments equals natural, functional, recurring. Both affect appearance, but only one is a true blockage. Final message: most people don't actually have blackhead problems on their nose. They have sebaceous filaments, and understanding this changes how you treat your skin forever. If you enjoyed this sebaceous filaments versus blackheads comparison, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more skincare education, pore science, and deep pore cleaning videos.